Alright, we're going to show up how to set up an ISO toolbar with a Pro 1200. So we'll go into the settings tab, come over to implement, and we'll come over to edit. We'll leave the implement name as nh3 tool. Implement operation will be, scroll down to application tillage. Implement type will be nh3 applicator. Implement make will be case IH, and the implement model, we'll hit add new, and then whatever the model of the bar is, we'll just make this a 940. Once that's done, we'll hit save. You'll know that you did it right whenever toolbar comes up on the picture. So then over on the right, we'll go to measurements, and we'll do a bar measurement, and it's going to ask you if you want to override any values from the ISO node, which we'll just hit proceed. And the bar distance is the hitch to the application point, so I'll just put in 200 inches. And the hitch to axle is from the hitch to the center of the axle of the toolbar. The same in there. Once you got the measurements in, you'll want those for your overlap control, so you want to make sure you have the right inches in. Then we'll go down to application control, and it's set up as a granular product now, so we want to switch it to nh3. So we'll hit the pencil, we'll hit granular, it's going to come up with a warning, we'll proceed with that. You'll hit granular again, and you'll switch it to anhydrous and hit apply, and you'll see it switches to nh3. Now once that's done, we'll come into the silo, and we'll need to set up our products. So we're going to scroll all the way down under the silo to product assignment. And so right now we're on nh3, and we have no product, so we'll hit product, we'll hit add new. We'll select nh3. The form we'll pick is anhydrous, and you'll put your two rates in, push and hold, and backspace. We'll put 150 pounds in. And these can be changed anytime later. This will just be two that we'll put in right now. So we have application 1, application 2 of 200. And then you can put them in and max, it just automatically puts it in based on what you put in. The delta application rate, that's just when you hit the increase or decrease, you can adjust your rates. The usage we'll just put in as fertilizer. You have to have something in there for usage, and then you can put other information if you'd like, otherwise just hit add. And you'll see here that we have rate 1 and rate 2, 150 to 200 pounds. So our products are set up. So if we go back, go to run screen 6, we have our toolbar here. So what we want to do is we want to we have to add in a product control widget on here. So I'm going to push and hold number 6. And we want to edit the screen, so hit yes. And then down here, there's nothing in there now, so we're going to trash can that. We're going to hit the plus, come into implement boom, and we want a nh3 section group 1 rate control 1x2, so we're going to select that. Then we'll exit to save. Now we got section group 1, so we put our two rates in, so we got 150 pounds. You can verify that it's pushing over to the Raven screen down here, it says 150 pounds. We hit rate 2. 200, and it drops to 200. So we know that the rate controller, the Raven rate controller, and the 1200 are talking. If you want to increase or decrease this product, you can plus it, and it's going to go up by 1 pound, but it doesn't save it. So when you hit rate 2 again, it's going to go back to 200. So again, if you want to change your two presets, rate 1 and 2, you come into your silos and you scroll all the way down. and you can adjust your rate 1 or rate 2 right here if you want to switch this to 175, and then come back to your run screen, and you have 175 in for your rate 1, 200. That's how you set up your 1200.